Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to change your mailing address on Sears. If you don't have a Sears account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Sign In. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Sign In for Member Perks. Click on Sign In for Member Perks. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a drop-down arrow at the upper right side of the screen. Click on the drop-down arrow. Then a drop-down list will appear. Click on your account. On this page, you will see several tabs. Click on Manage My Account. On the Accounts tab, you will see a section for mailing address. On the right side of your mailing address, you will see an Edit button. Click on Edit button beside the mailing address you wish to remove. Now, enter all the necessary information about the new mailing address you wish to use. After entering, click on Save. That's how you change your mailing address on Sears. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.